Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to log in to your OVO Energy account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, if you do not have your OVO application, then go to your Play Store, click on the search bar and type OVO Energy app and search. And with this, once you get the application, install it by clicking on this install button here. And after the application is installed, open it up by clicking on this open button. And with this, you will get to see this interface here from where you can log into your OVO account, and you need to give here your email address that is associated with your account or your OVO ID. After that, you give your password as well and click on this login button here. If you have forgotten your password, then you can click on this reset password and recover it. So this was it guys, a very easy and simple process. I hope you all guys like the video and find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.